Hey friends, I just got back from a workout and unfortunately a couple of weeks ago I tweaked my knee surfing. And it's actually been really bothering me in places like the gym where my legs move around quite a bit. So what I needed was some sort of stabilization around my knee area to keep things nice and supported while the healing happens. Now, getting the appropriate support can be a really difficult process. A lot of times you have to go to your primary care provider, and then these things can be really expensive. And so I was really pleasantly surprised to find that you can actually get some of these supportive knee braces right here on Amazon. We'll put a link in the description box below if you'd like to pick one of these up for yourself. Now, this specific knee brace is made by Ninka. And again, you can see how just big and bulky and supportive this thing is. Now again, a little bit of that downside is because of these big hinges on the side, it does make it bulky. But the exchange that you get is everything feels super stabilized and not like, again, it's gonna be moving around in painful directions. You also have this really nice padding that centers around your patella. And again, it feels like it keeps that top of your kneecap in place. Now, again, depending on your knee injury, you really do need to make sure you see a primary care provider to ensure that no further damage is going to be done. But again, if you just feel like you need a little bit of extra stabilization, this could be the perfect product for you. It does come in multiple sizes, and then as you can see, you can really cinch things down into place with these two big Velcro strips on either end of your leg. Pushing those down, getting them nice and tight, makes this thing feel like it's just gonna stay right in place like it needs to be. So there you go, friends. This could be a very good budget-friendly way of getting some additional knee support around this critical area of your body while you are being active. I can definitely say it's really helped me having a knee brace in place for the activities that we like to do. So hopefully that's helped out, friends. Again, we do a ton of these little product review videos to help your purchase journey go just a little bit smoother. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.